Hey guys, what's up? Just thought I'd do a review on my black book, so it's the cover. So I just got some of my hand-drawn stuff, and I got all those big heads in there. All my computerized stuff. And I have whose page? 2 pages actually. Then ATC's page. Yeah, then there's just a collab I did of AK. And sketch, and yeah, it's my black book, so yeah.